Hi there. Welcome to Craft with Kathie. I'm going to show you our December's Club Couture. It's called Warm and Cozy. I'm coming at you from the suburbs of West Chicago, where we've had another snowfall. Can you imagine? We've been dumped on, I think, 3 times already in the last week. It's been crazy early for this area, and I have to admit, I am not ready for winter. But anyway, December's Club is perfect for winter. Let me show you all the different designs that are available and give you some ideas of how and where you can use these. Aren't they adorable? We've got a penguin, a bird, the wording warm and cozy, an ice skate, chillin' with half of a snowflake, a little stretch like sweater beanie hat, a bear with packages, some hot cocoa, some flakes, an igloo, and a deer. What a nice variety. This actually is called a mini. It's our 8.5 by 11 inch transfer, but it's divided into, well, generally our minis are 12 different designs. This one has 11 because a snowflake is actually 6 inches instead of 3 by 3. Each of these other images are 3 by 3. And it came with Tide ink, Ocean Mist ink, and Couture Teal ink. And you might be saying, I thought you guys used paste. Yes, we use paste on things that can't be washed, but on things that can be washed, we use ink, because the ink, when it's heat set with either an iron or a heat press, becomes permanent. Or I should say an oven, because if you actually use this on ceramic, you could actually bake it and heat set it that way if you wanted to put it on a mug. And look what the surface is this month. It's a pair of socks. How cool is that? Club Couture brings an exclusive design to your door, including pastes or inks, and a surface or an embellishment, and when you're new, a mini squeegee. Every month to your door. Shipping is free. We pay the shipping. You pay the monthly fee. And right now, is part of our 7th day of Chalkmas, you can get 30% off on December's Club Couture. How cool is that? This is such a great deal. I didn't want you to miss it. I'm going to do some editing of my live and come back with the project where I actually add these designs to some cute little socks.